Hi guys, today we are going to learn based on the lesson synthetic fibers and plastics class 8, and the topic is types, properties and usages of plastic. First, let us see what are plastics. So plastics are a very important group of synthetic fibers that are both durable and versatile. So unlike synthetic fibers, the monomers in plastic may be arranged in two ways. A linear arrangement like a chain of beads. The picture to the left is an example of linear arrangement, and the picture to the right is an example of cross-linked arrangement. So there are two types of plastics, thermoplastic and thermosetting plastics. So now let us see the difference between thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. So thermoplastic soften or melt on heating. Thermosetting plastic do not soften or melt on heating. Thermoplastic can be remolded into different shapes, but thermosetting plastic cannot be remolded into different shapes. Thermoplastic consists of linear polymers or a combination of linear and a cross-linked polymers. Thermosetting plastic consists of heavily cross-linked polymers. The examples of thermosetting plastic are polythene, also known as low density polyethylene or LDPE, and polyvinyl chloride, that is PVC. The example of thermosetting plastics are melamine and bakelite. So there are 5 properties of plastic: thermal conductivity, electrical conductivity, solubility in water, reactivity and flammability. Now let us see in detail about all the properties of plastic. Thermal conductivity. Plastics are poor conductors of heat. So that is why the handles of kitchen pots and pans and microwave containers are made up of plastic to avoid the heat affecting our hands. The plastic is also used as an insulating layer in the body of a refrigerator to prevent the heat from affecting the cool interior and to avoid the spoiling of the objects kept inside the refrigerator. Electrical conductivity. Plastics are poor conductors of electricity, so this makes them ideal materials to use as the covering of electrical appliances, wires, cables, plugs and switches. Solubility in water. So plastics are insoluble in water, which is why they can be used to make buckets, tanks and other containers to store water, as well as pipes to transport water. Reactivity. So plastics do not corrode on exposure to air and water. They are non-reactive with many chemicals and hence can be used to store acids, bleaches and household cleaning liquids. Flammability. So plastics are inflammable. This can be a drawback to their use. However, their flammability can be reduced by adding certain compounds to the plastic during manufacture. So now let's see the uses of plastic. Usages of thermoplastic. So there are two types of plastic, thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. Now let us see the usages of thermoplastic. So under thermoplastic there are many types of plastics. The first one is LDPE, that is low density polyethylene, which is used to make packaging film, grocery bags, garbage bags and disposable bottles. Second one is high density polyethylene, HDPE, which is used for make containers for storing chemicals and for insulation wires and bottle caps. The third thing is PET, that is polyethylene terephthalate, which is used to make beverage bottles, microwave proof containers and recording tape. And the fourth one is PVC, that is polyvinyl chloride, which is used to make sanitary pipes, floor tiles and frames of doors and windows. So the fifth one is polypropylene, PP, which is used for making bottles for storing beverages and medicines, and containers for ketchup and food items, and cases of automobile batteries. Next, PS, that is polystyrene, which is used to make disposable cups and plates, and packaging material called thermocol to pack breakable items. And the last one under thermoplastic is Teflon or polytetrafluoroethylene, which is used to make coating of non-stick utensils. These do not allow oil and water to stick to the surface of the utensils, which will make it easy to wash it. Now let us see the uses of thermosetting plastic. So under thermosetting plastic, there are two major types of plastics, which is melamine and bakelite. So melamine is used to make countertops and other crockery, and also flame retardant materials. That is example uniforms of firefighters. So next bakelite, which was earlier used for making electrical switches, plugs, comms and handles of utensils. Now it is mostly used to make dominoes and chess pieces. So thank you for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel Gazler. Thank you once again.